last week I didn't have time to film a video, so I thought this week I can show you a really special purchase I recently made, and as you can see by the bag standing next to me, it's from Dior. And when you already watched my other videos, you probably know that Dior is my favorite brand of all the designer brands, and I'm so excited to add this new bag, it's actually a bag, to my collection. So let's open it together. Here's the tissue paper. Was hard. Here is the box, and you can see it closer. So I'm so excited for this bag. Your packaging is so pretty. And the ones that know Dior and love it as well, you probably know which kind of bag I bought, because only this type has this little dust bag. So here is my new Lady Dior bag, and as I mentioned, only the Lady Dior bags have this kind of dust bag. And here you can see my new bag, and I'm so in love with it. How beautiful is it? I really got it for the festive season coming up because I really needed a bag that fits just like perfect for a black outfit, and this is definitely the one. How gorgeous is it? As you can see, it's made out of satin, and it has rhinestones all over, and it has silver hardware, and it's so pretty. I can't believe that I have it now. And here you can see the strap as well. The strap is actually adjustable, which is kind of practical as well. Here you can see the strap as well. How pretty is this bag? I'm so excited, guys. And it's actually already my second Dior bag. I already have the My Lady Dior bag. That's the one with the buttons on the strap, and I'm so in love with this bag as well, so I'm so excited to have a new addition to this as well. And this is the mini size, so it's just perfect for all the different nighttime occasions. And when you take a close look inside as well, you'll have the paper here and the little certificate, and here you can take a look inside. Wow, I'm so in love with this bag, and I know that I will wear this so much for all the different parties I'm invited to, so I can't wait to wear this. It's just the perfect bag. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my new bag. I'm so in love with it, and in case you're interested in these kinds of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below for more luxury related videos. See you next time. Bye!